blessings from Eat Good TV. I would like to give a shout out to all my members, all my subscribers, anyone that watches the show. I would like to give a shout out to, and a special shout out go out to Norma Jean and Damien. And just put in the comment where you're from so I can give you a shout out. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for visiting the show, subscribing to the show, be a member and a part of Eat Good TV. My name is Margaret. I'm from Jamaica. I make Jamaican meals and American meal because all my children born in America. So I make Jamaican meal and American meal. We are cooking some mackerel, and I have 2 tins of the hot and spicy classic Grace mackerel. That's what I'm cooking. So we need our mackerel, because the mackerel is the star of the show. Olive oil, Grace all-purpose seasoning, and some complete seasoning. So that's what we need. And then I'm going to show you all the vegetable we need. In this bowl we have assorted bell peppers, scallion, onion, carrot, garlic. Place 1 tablespoon of oil in the pot. So I'm just going to place about a tablespoon of oil in the pot. And these meals are like our budget meal. You know, things are very expensive. So some people can only afford like tin meat. Once the oil is hot and you pour everything inside of it, just put some all-purpose seasoning. So that's about a teaspoon. And a tablespoon of complete season. Here's the complete season, 1 tablespoon. And just mix it up, and then you're gonna cover it and just let it steam. And we're gonna serve this with white rice. And put 1 Scotch bonnet pepper in it, or a half, whatever Scotch bonnet pepper you like, you just put it in it. So I have some liquid Scotch bonnet pepper, green Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is Grace too. So I just add some green Scotch bonnet liquid. But if you have the regular one, you can add it too. Whatever you like, whatever you want to do. Now that the vegetable is steamed, just remove the cover and place it in a bowl and move on to cooking the mackerel. And it is smelling up the place. So you know it's gonna be delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And here it is. So we are gonna serve our mackerel here and then our rice. We don't have to wash the pot. Just add a piece of butter in the pot and let it melt. Just let this melt. And with all the seasoning there, the mackerel is gonna taste so good. And butter makes everything better. So we need our little butter in our mackerel. And we're gonna put in our onion, some scallion, some garlic for the mackerel. And a little hot pepper and vinegar. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of, I just put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add the mackerel, but make sure you wash your tins first. And this is how the mackerel look, but I don't need all that sauce. I'm a person who don't like sauce, too much sauce. Like ketchup and all those sauce, I don't like too much sauce. So I'm gonna remove some of the sauce, then I'm gonna add the mackerel to the pot. So I just add a small amount of the sauce, about this, and the mackerel. And you can leave the bone in, or you can take the bone out of the mackerel. The choice is yours. And I just cover this for 5 minutes. Now it's 5 minutes, so just remove the cover. And look at it. Let me have a taste of it. I'm gonna add the rice. Let me add the rice first, and I'll have a taste of this goodness, smelling up the place goodness. So this is the onion, scallion, and garlic. And I add some green Scotch bonnet pepper. See? Green Scotch bonnet pepper. And I put it on medium. I serve the mackerel with a cup and a half of white rice. And with all Grace product, you can always have it during the hurricane season. It is very good for hurricane season. Sardine, anything that's in the tin. Sardine, jack mackerel, they sell jack mackerel, and they sell spicy, the small tin spicy and regular. So these are good for hurricane season. Also corned beef, they are good for, all tin Grace products are good for the hurricane season. Because sometimes the light is out, the fridge don't work, so all these products are not very good, excellent for hurricane season. There you have it, family, your Grace tin mackerel with vegetable. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you, wish you all the best. Bye.